Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Play Store something went problem. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing something went wrong when you are trying to download any application from your Google Play Store, then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first option is you have to just long press on your Play Store app, click on app info. Here you have to scroll down. You can see here storage and cache. Once tap on this, once tap on clear storage, then tap on delete, then go back, scroll down again. Here you will find mobile data and Wi-Fi usage. You have to just tap on this, scroll down. Here you can see background data. Enable usage of mobile data in background. In some mobiles you will find some different options. In my mobile it's showing enable usage of mobile data, means I have enabled this, then the background data will be enabled in this. In some of the mobile you will find enable or disable options for mobile data usage. You have to just enable that option, then go back, once tap on force stop, tap on OK, then go back. After completion of this, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Play Store something went problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.